Most loved Chinese drama couples 2026. Number 1. Song Weilong and Zhao Jinmai. They smashed viewership records with Shine on Me. Long age is 26 years old and Maisie age is 23 years old. Number 2. Ho Minghao and Kang Song-yeon. The chemistry that had everyone hooked. The unclouded soul. Mio age is 29 years old and Song-yeon age is 35 years old. Number 3. Chen Ze-yeon and Zhao Lucy. This couple broke view records with Hidden Love. Yeon age is 29 years old and Zhao Lucy age is 27 years old. Number 4. Yang Yang and Dilruba Dilmurad. The chemistry everyone fell in love with. You Are My Glory. Yang Yang age is 34 years old and Dilruba age is 33 years old. Number 5. Yukai and Cheng Xiao. Two souls, one perfect chemistry. Falling into Your Smile. Yukai age is 30 years old and Cheng Xiao age is 27 years old. Number 6. Dylan Wang and Bailu. Chemistry that made this couple iconic in Only for Love. Dylan age is 27 years old and Bailu age is 31 years old. Number 7. Bai Jingting and Zhang Ronin. Their mix of sweetness and intensity had this pair rise to top trending stats in 2025 in the Fast Frost. Jingting age is 32 years old and Ronin age is 29 years old. Number 8. Wang Yibu and Xiao Zhen. Lead roles of Wei Wuxian, Xiao Zhen and Lan Wangji, Wang Yibu, forming a deep, iconic bond in the Chinese fantasy wuxia drama The Untamed. Xiao Zhen age is 34 years old. Wang Yibu age is 28 years old. Number 9. Tsapak Hasu and Wan Peng. A legendary couple. Their undeniable chemistry still ranks as one of the C-drama's all-time best. In My Girlfriend is an Alien. Tsapak age is 34 years old and Wan Peng age is 29 years old. Number 10. Arthur Chen and Zhang Jingji. This couple's chemistry is undeniable in Lighter and Princess. Arthur age is 25 years old. Jingyi age is 26 years old. Number 11. Yang Zi and Li Jian. Their chemistry can't be ignored in Flourished Peony. Yang Zi age is 33 years old. Li Jian age is 34 years old. Number 12. Song Weilong and Ken Songyun. Chemistry so real, it feels unreal. In Go Ahead. Weilong age is 26 years old. Songyun age is 35 years old. Number 13. Shen Yui and Hu Yitin. Even years later, their youthful chemistry still captures hearts. They remain one of the most nostalgic couples in A Love So Beautiful. Shen Yu is 28 years old. Hu Yitin is 31-year-old. Number 14. Yang Zi and Chang Ji. Soft romance created one of the most loved fantasy couple in Immortal Samsara. Yang Zi age is 33 years old. Chang Ji age is 35 years old. Number 15. Liu Yuning and Song Zhuer. Pure chemistry, no acting needed in The Prisoner of Beauty. Liu age is 35 years old. Song Zhuer age is 27 years old. If you vibe with this video, hit like, share and subscribe my channel. It's a humble request.